Hey there beautiful mums, welcome back to our channel. Now today we're diving into a topic that affects many of you new mums out there, postpartum depression. So stick around because we've got a powerful story, valuable insights and practical solutions to share. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our empowering content again. Now let's get started. Meet Sarah, a new mum grappling with the overwhelming weight of postpartum depression. Her journey reflects the struggle many mothers face, silently navigating through the baby blues. So Sarah, holding her 1-month-old baby, confronted by me, Dr. Neveling, in my office, in tears, feeling on the brink of a nervous breakdown. What she didn't realize was that her baby blues were casting a shadow on her well-being and her little one. 1 out of 10 new mums face postpartum depression, often trapped in guilt and silence. So what is postpartum depression? Let's break it down together. Postpartum means post, after, and partum, birth, so after birth. And depression signifies a downward force of the emotional stress and weight after the colossal journey of just having a baby and giving birth. But here's the good news. Understanding is the first step to overcoming. It's not just a mental imbalance, it's a complex interplay of physical, hormonal, nutritional, emotional, mental and environmental factors. Ready to turn the tide? The journey starts with a holistic approach. Download our guide, The Natural Approach to Overcoming Postpartum Depression. Click the link below and take that first empowering step. For a quick boost, try incorporating a daily green juice and don't forget your multivitamins and sea moss supplements. Nourish your body and let the vitamins work their magic. Lastly, share vitamin L. Love and laughter. Strengthening connections can be a powerful antidote. As you apply these steps, you'll witness a transformation. The clouds of sadness will lift and you'll forge a deeper connection with your baby. Remember, you're not alone and there's hope for brighter days ahead. Sarah and countless others are proof that even in the darkest hours, a solution awaits. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.